Anything earth-shattering in those comments, Perianne? What can we glean from that about future regulation?
Yeah, so for one, Vice Chair Barr, in his statement yesterday, he said that stablecoins need to come under the Fed's supervision under the premise that they may be systemically important. That is just a vastly overblown assumption. The total value of stablecoins worldwide today is about the size of a mid-sized regional bank. Stablecoins, they're not a financial stability risk. Now, secondly, what he was doing was he was sending a message to Congress, urging them to pass a piece of legislation that is currently being worked on by the House Financial Services Committee. Please note, no one's actually seen this bill. The members of the committee hasn't seen the bill. The industry hasn't seen the bill. But somehow Vice Chair Barr is involved in the negotiations. I think we've got some kind of a tail wagging the dog situation going on here. The Fed really needs to focus on monetary policy, and they should leave the legislating to Congress. Now, we've always been supportive of having clear rules to the road for digital assets. I'm not saying there's no room for regulation, but this needs to be done in a transparent way.
Okay, this winter, maybe it's not a nuclear winter, but what we're seeing in crypto, will it resolve itself eventually, in your view? And is it as simple as the Fed's in a tightening mode that makes crypto less attractive in terms of being, there's a fixed amount, so, we can print dollars. There's only 21 million Bitcoin. When the Fed gets tight, does that explain why we've seen these 60% loss in value almost across the board in crypto? Does that explain it?
I mean, crypto is volatile. It's always been volatile. It's a nascent asset. I do think it's important that we take a macro view of the overall market across the board on Wall Street. All risk assets, from equities to commodities, have seen large price swings and volatilities over the past couple of months. I do think there's a lot going on in our economy that's leading to volatility in the crypto markets. And I still think Bitcoin, it's a hedge against these macro factors like inflation. This is a largely misunderstood asset. And just to hone in another point here, for a decade, investors have been forced to navigate investing in cryptocurrencies alone, outside the existing financial advisory relationships. A ETF that directly holds Bitcoin would change that. Yet the SEC has continued to unjustifiably block every attempt to bring one to the market. It's truly one of the largest conundrums in the industry, and something that we'll be releasing a report on imminently.